Never miss important news with alerts sent to your phone. Get the Fox 2 Now app.
Well, we know one of the casualties of the coronavirus pandemic finds many tenants unable to pay rent. Some are several months past due. So the question is, can a lessor evict them? That is our question this week. Fox 2's Vic Faust spoke with Brown and Crouppen associate attorney Brandon Jackson.
Right now, can a person be evicted during a COVID-19 pandemic for any reason?
Short answer, right now, no. The CDC has passed an eviction moratorium. What this means is that a person cannot be evicted for non-payment of rent. And this moratorium on eviction extends all the way to the end of the month, March 31st.
What do you expect to happen at that point?
After that point, it really goes county by county. So far, our state, Missouri, does not have a statewide eviction moratorium. For example, in St. Louis City, presiding Judge Michael Stelter has passed an eviction moratorium that extends all the way to April 5th. However, that eviction moratorium only applies to evictions for non-payment of rent. And so a person can be evicted for other reasons.
Those reasons could include health or safety codes or anything that puts another person in danger.
The flavor is a little different in St. Louis County. So in St. Louis County, the moratorium on eviction extends indefinitely. And it applies to not only those who cannot pay rent, but you cannot be evicted for any reason.
What kind of advice would you have for tenants throughout our viewing area that may be in a situation affected by the pandemic and they may have gotten a notice that we're evicting you?
To anyone, I think it's always important to keep an open line of communication with your landlord. Some of these landlords are suffering as well because they cannot handle the carrying costs of holding some of these properties.
Brandon Jackson with Brown and Crouppen also says just because people haven't been evicted doesn't mean they don't owe what they were supposed to pay. And long term, this could be a serious issue.
And once this moratorium is lifted, there could be some people out there who could have to pay, up to a year's worth of rent at one time.
But if they can't do that, Brandon, can they be evicted at that point in time when a moratorium ends?
Absolutely. They can be evicted as soon as, I believe, 30 days after the moratorium is lifted.
Good information there. Once again, each Wednesday, we will discuss a legal topic that could be affecting you on The Legal Lens with Brown and Crouppen.